5 natural baking soda remedies you need to know. Baking soda is a white powder that for centuries has been used in cooking and for medicinal purposes. In the kitchen, it aids in baking through fermentation, helping dough increase in volume and acquire a smooth consistency. In addition to this, however, it's a basic ingredient that's used to develop many natural treatments because its high content of essential nutrients is beneficial to your health. Indeed, baking soda has alkaline, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties that help treat a variety of symptoms and diseases. The best part is that it's easy to find in any store or supermarket, and thanks to its affordable price, everyone can take advantage of its benefits. Today we want to take the opportunity to share 5 ways to use it so you don't hesitate to try baking soda as a solution to some of the problems that might be affecting you. Acid reflux. An effective treatment for excess acid production in the stomach. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 5 grams, 1/2 cup of warm water, 125 milliliters, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 20 milliliters. Preparation: add the baking soda to the warm water along with the 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. How to use it. Drink this beverage at your first symptom of heaviness or acidity. Take it once a day. Nasal congestion. The antibacterial, expectorant, and anti-inflammatory compounds found in baking soda can be used to alleviate nasal congestion. It helps remove the phlegm that builds up in the nasal passageways and makes it easier to breathe. Ingredients: 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 grams, 2 tablespoons of water, 20 milliliters. Preparation: mix the baking soda with the tablespoons of water and add the mixture to a dropper. How to use it. Place 2 to 3 drops of this solution into each nostril and tilt your head back. Use twice a day until your symptoms improve. Irritated throat. Control the acidity and bacteria that cause infection. In this case, you can enhance its properties with apple cider vinegar, a natural antacid and anti-inflammatory ingredient that promotes feelings of relief. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of water, 125 milliliters, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 5 grams, 1 teaspoon of organic apple cider vinegar, 5 milliliters. Preparation. Heat the water until it is warm. Once it reaches the desired temperature, add the baking soda and vinegar. How to use it. Drink this beverage when you feel a sore throat, up to twice a day if needed. Bad breath. The astringent and antimicrobial effects of baking soda can also be used to treat bad breath. These properties help remove any food residues that build up between your teeth and also prevent bacteria from causing oral infections. Ingredients. One teaspoon of baking soda, 5 grams, 6 drops of essential oil of mint, 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters. Preparation. Dilute the baking soda and mint oil in a cup of warm water. How to use it. Take several sips of this beverage and gargle with it for 20 to 30 seconds. Spit out the liquid and repeat this process 3 times a day. Urinary tract infections. Restore your body's normal pH to alleviate problems such as urinary tract infections. Its consumption and topical use can prevent viruses, fungi, and bacteria from proliferating, helping you avoid complications with these diseases. Ingredients. ½ teaspoon of baking soda, 2 grams, 1/2 cup of water, 125 milliliters. Preparation. Dilute the baking soda in ½ cup of warm water. How to use it. Consume this beverage twice a day until your symptoms improve. As a supplement, you could add baking soda to your bath water or use it in sitz baths. As you can see, baking soda is a great option for treating certain health problems that may affect you on a regular basis. Be sure to keep it in your pantry, ready to use for quick relief of your symptoms.